Mami to see, unleash your passion for adventure. Be in Biliran, be you. We strongly believe that you are here for that purpose, to unleash your passion. We are proud to share with you our desire to become the adventure capital of Region 8. We are going to be the mountaineering haven in Eastern Visayas. Share the joy of connecting with nature and bring Biliran to your groups, to your peers, and to your friends. Magandang gabi at maraming salamat po.